Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create and design an app in seconds with Google Stitch. If you have $1 million app idea but absolutely zero design or coding skills, you're in luck. Today we're going to take a look at Stitch, Google's crazy new AI tool to generate a fully designed app from a single text prompt in under 2 minutes. So firstly, open up your browser. Then head over to the Google Stitch website at stitch.withgoogle.com. Right on the homepage, click the Try Now button and log in using your Google account. The best part is currently completely free through Google Apps. Now, start a new design and make sure you select the mobile app option in the chat section so the AI knows the correct screen size. Now just describe exactly what you want your app to look like in the text box. Be as specific as possible. Tell if the colors, button, and the vibe, for example, a modern dark mode fitness tracking app with a daily progress dashboard and a workout calendar. Hit generate and just wait. In seconds, the Gemini AI will analyze your text and build out multiple high-fidelity professional UI screens right before your eyes. And boom, it's finished. You now have a complete app design that you can click through, export straight to Figma, or even push into Google AI Studio to turn into working code. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.